Hi everyone, my name is Gracie Graham and I'm a biochemist. I was part of the GIZ AI Fellowship for Women program at Blossom Academy. One fun fact about me is that I'm a twin and she's very Graham and I love to say this wherever I go.
Hello, my name is Amakwanchani Malcolm. I have a background in international relations from the University of Ghana, and I was a member of the GIZ cohort at Blossom Academy.
Hello, my name is Mandiata Okansi. I was a part of GIZ's AI for Women Fellowship cohort. I have a background in biomedical engineering from the University of Ghana. I love games and I love puzzles. My favorite game so far is the Uno card game.
Being a part of a cohort that was made up of only women was extremely exciting. For me, it was very easy to get along with everyone because we understood one another, and it was also easy to be open in class and to ask for clarification on answers and to ask for help from my fellow colleagues.
So being a part of this young group of talented, diverse women fostered a collaborative and supportive environment at my time here at Blossom Academy. This has been an enriching and empowering experience, and I give a special thanks to GIZ and Blossom Academy for this experience.
It was exciting to be in a cohort with only ladies. It felt like a sisterhood. It felt like I was around people who understood me and supported me. It was just very refreshing.
One major challenge I faced during the program was imposter syndrome in the initial stages. Coming from an arts background, I wasn't sure what role AI will play into my field, but as we went on with the program, I got to learn that there are a lot of avenues where AI interacts with different fields. So now I know that there's actually a place for AI in arts. That has been an exciting journey overall.
So having to commute from Saltwan, a small town in central region, to Accra every Wednesday was a bit of a challenge. But I thank God for the support I had throughout the program. The management of Blossom were very supportive, as well as my family. Another challenge I would say I faced was when I had to balance my work life with my whole time here at Blossom. But thanks to the prioritization matrix that was taught by the soft skills team, I was able to prioritize my time.
With the knowledge from the skills I've acquired, I've been able to create awareness of the importance of data analytics and data science in Ghana. And I've also been able to inspire other people, my colleagues from school, to pursue courses in data analytics to help them better the environment and also to practice it in their respective fields.
So the GIZ AI Fellowship program at Blossom Academy was a comprehensive one, looking at the leadership skills, management skills, and technical skills acquired. So for the leadership skills, I got the opportunity to sell my cohort as a classwork. And for management skills, we were taught about career development and time management, which is really reflecting in my life this day. And for the technical aspect, I give a special thanks to my teachers who have been patient with me throughout the journey. And I can confidently say I'm now a Pythonista and I'm an advocate for data and AI.
As someone who is hoping to work in the United Nations someday, I'm excited about the opportunities of linking artificial intelligence with the work of the UN, because now that this international organization is going digital, it is going to create more space for people like me to work there and be successful in the field.
I'm so big on leadership and strategy. So I envision leveraging the skills I've acquired in this program to bring about innovative AI solutions to revolutionize the healthcare and sustainability industries.
This just literally gives me a stepping stone to get into the field that I want to be in. So I want to thank GIC so much for this life-changing opportunity. It means so much to me, and for me, I can become a better person in my opinion.